Dear student, myself Mr. ARVIND KUMAR, welcome to join online session for the subject IP. In this session, we will discuss about Python programming. Before going to start the concept and problem solving skills, you must have to understand the new syllabus of IP for class 12. The syllabus of IP for class 12 has been divided into 4 units as it is displayed on your screen. The first unit 1 is data handling, carrying 30 marks. This unit covers Python data handling and plotting libraries such as NUMPY, pandas, and plotting with pyplot. The second unit consists basic software engineering containing 15 marks. This unit covers basic software concepts such as software process, modules, delivery models, agile methods, and so on. Move to the next, Unit 3. Unit 3 is data management, carrying 15 marks. This unit covers revision of SQL part done in class 11 and database connectivity from Python in MySQL. Next unit is Unit 4. It consists societies, law and ethics, also known as SLE, carrying 10 marks. This unit covers topics like digital rights and licensing, private laws and cybercrime, IT Act, e-waste management, etc. Apart from this theory, it will be 70 marks, and the practical examination is to be held throughout the session, carrying 30 marks and total 30 marks. And this is your new syllabus. Dear student, let us start Unit 1, that is data handling. In this chapter, we will talk about the NUMPY's most important data structure, that is NUMPY arrays and their application, and such as working with NUMPY array. First of all, you must have to know the concepts and needs of arrays. So, the question is, what is array? Why array is needed, etc., etc. So, let us define about the array. Basically, an array is a data structure that stores set of values of same or homogeneous data type. Data type maybe include integer. You are well familiar with the data type in class 11. Or in other words, we can say it is a collection of similar type of data items that share a common name. Just consider the example. There are 2 examples is given, and when we consider these 2 examples, we are much familiar with the concept of array. Now look backward. Previously, we declare the variable for taking any value. In Python programming, that means in Python programming, we store any value with the help of variable. But the variables can hold only one value at a time, as we know earlier. Now the question is, when we want to store the marks of 5 subjects of a student, then what's the process? The earlier 5 variables could be required for that, such as marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, marks 4 and marks 5. And the marks is assigned individually for marks 1, like marks 1 equals to 50 as in your screen, marks 2 equals to 60, marks 3 equals to 70, marks 4 equals to 55, marks 5 equals to 80. It is also not easy to handle these variables in the program because suppose we want to store 10 subject marks, then 10 variables could be required. Suppose we want to 20 subject marks to be stored of a student, then 20 variables could be required. To avoid this problem, there is array. So, in this situation, the concept of array is useful. Consider the next example. To use any Python library, you need to import it using import statement by using a statement like import NUMPY as NP. Here NP is an identifier name. You can use any identifier name in place of NP. After that, this statement has given NP as an identifier for NUMPY module. Once imported with name, you can use both name, that is NUMPY or NP for functions. First, marks equals to np.array. Here array is the function, and this is the 50, 60, 70, 55 and 80 are the values to be stored in common name, that is marks. Or it can also be written as marks equals to numpy dot array, then 50, 60, 70, 50 and 80. That means numpy dot array is the same as np dot array. Now, what's the basically difference between example 1 and example 2? So once again, in example 1, the marks 50, 60, 70, 55 and 80 are stored in 5 different variables. But In the second example, all the sets of marks like 50, 60, 70, 55 and 80 are stored in one variable, that is marks. Here marks is the array name, and so that array is very useful when we store the set of values. Although you have already learned the list, but there are so many differences between list and array, and we'll discuss later. Now, after understanding the array, I think you will understand the concept of array. After understanding, now the question is, what is NUMPY array? In fact, in Python, NUMPY stands for numerical Python. It is the core library for scientific computing in Python. It consists of multidimensional array objects and tools for working with these arrays. NUMPY arrays is a grid that contains values of the same or homogeneous type and is indexed by a tuple of non-negative integers. The number of dimensions of it is the rank of the array. The shape of an array depends upon a tuple of integers giving the size of the array along each dimension. Just consider this particular array representation. Array can be represented as one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and third-dimensional array means multi-dimensional array. Now, this will discuss in next session. And the next session we will discuss about the anatomy of NUMPY arrays and form of NUMPY arrays. Now, any confusion or doubt, please call or chat my WhatsApp number already displayed on the screen. Thank you very much and have a good day.